hear my supercharger louder. YouTube was popping. You know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell to ring, man. And hey, man, don't forget to like that video. Yes, sir. All right, today we'll be getting the mufflers done again. So I got the straight pipe right now, pretty much. I got the resonator delete, the mid muffler delete, but it's kind of too loud for my neighborhood. And plus, you know, I just want a little bit more performance sound. I did the cheap way out the first time, so this time I'm gonna actually swap it out and get some real mufflers done. I'm gonna get MAGNAFLOWs. I don't know a lot of people with the MAGNAFLOWs, so we're gonna go MAGNAFLOWs, and then I want to get quad tips. But in order to do the quad tips, probably gonna have to get rid of the rear mufflers. So we'll see. But this is the startup right here. You're about to get ready to pull it in. Sound good, don't get me wrong, but I'm trying to keep my good rapport with my neighbors, you know. I'll show y'all the mufflers I'm getting. I'm getting like glass pack type mufflers. I'll show you, give me a second. So this is the type of muffler right here in MAGNAFLOW. I'm gonna go with these, the bullet type. I know MAGNAFLOW has always been performance. Flowmaster is more for loud. Most people go 40 series on like the old schools and stuff like that. But we're not going for that sound, we're going for performance. We want it to perform better, so he'll pull it up on the rack and we'll get under there. I'll show you how the tips in a minute. Big Brembo style. I probably roll with this for a while. I mean, it sounds pretty good. A lot more smooth. All right, let's see how it sounds. We're gonna hop on the freeway. So it's a lot quieter. Coming to a stop right now, but yeah, it's a lot more quiet now, of course, because I got mufflers on again. It's not like dead quiet, you know, but it just sound a little more throaty. It ain't got no more rasp in it at all. And the back pressure is a lot better. Let's see if I can. Like I got back pressure now. At first, it wouldn't spin out. So it won't spin out at that type of takeoff because I got wider tires now. But since I got the mufflers back on, I got that back pressure back. Let me hop on the highway right now. And I can hear my supercharger louder now. I like that. But yeah, that'll be the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And I really appreciate everybody rocking with me. Y'all don't have to be here, but y'all are. So I appreciate you. Drop a comment if it's too quiet for you. And if it's good enough, then leave that comment too. Let me know what you think. Peace out.